In front of me is OPPO A95, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Then tap on Manage Passwords, click on Google, and tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check. Finally, enter your current login method and tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!